Hello friends, welcome to the channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. So what do we have in this video? A very interesting topic. And when we talk about mathematics, it's all about numbers, right? And there can be nothing more interesting than numbers. So let's play with numbers in this particular video. The title itself says playing with numbers. So how do you play with numbers? Can you? Have you rather? So if you haven't done it, watch the entire video. You will learn how to play with numbers. And before we start the fun, let me tell you about the India's #1 Vedic Maths video course which we have brought out specially for our junior students and also for all those who are looking to develop 10 times faster speed of calculations. So if you are the one who is aspiring to calculate fast, then this Vedic Maths course is for you. It is the beginner level course because the beginner level is the most important level. If your addition, your subtraction, your multiplication, division and divisibility, you can do all those orally, mentally, then most of the things can be done very easily, the higher calculations. So if you are a school student, if you are someone who is preparing for any placement exam, go for this video course. What does it contain? It contains 61 explanatory videos, all from Vedic Maths concepts. Concepts and illustrations are given in those videos. We have 114 supporting worksheets with answer key given in the course. What else we can expect in a beginner level course? If you want to get a copy of this particular course, you can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number. For best offers, you have to send me a message today itself, okay? Right? Go for this, friends. Let's see some of the questions which I wanted to take up for this particular video. Check the divisibility by 3 and 9. Is this big number divisible by 3 or is it divisible by 9? Why did I take 3 and 9 in the same question? Because the same divisibility rule works for both 3 and 9. So, what is the rule? We have to find the sum of digits. That means whenever there is a big number and we have to check divisibility of the number by 3 or 9, add all the digits 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. All the digits are to be added. What do you get? 10, 17, 27, right? And can you see 27 occurs in the table of 3? 3 9 times is 27. And if this number is divisible by 3, then the entire big number 73526 is also divisible by 3. And likewise, if the same number 27 is divisible by 9, in this case it is, right? And so the big number is also divisible by 9. So what is the result? 73526 is divisible by both 3 and 9. Right? You will remember that, right? Very easy. Let's play with numbers further. Check the divisibility by 2, 4 and 8. Wow. I love this rule because again, somehow the rule resembles for 2, for 4 and for 8. See what do we do here. The number is 65044. For checking the divisibility by 2, check the last digit. Okay. For 4, check the last 2 digits, that is the number formed by the last 2 digits of the big number. And for 8, check the last 3 digits. Now, what are these things here? Last digit here is 4. 4 is divisible by 2, right? And so the entire number, that means 65044 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is divisible by 2. It can be 0 also, mind you. Last 2 digits, 44, right? 44 is divisible by 4, correct? 4 11 times is 44, and therefore the number 65044 is divisible by 4 also. And the last 3 digits 044. Do you think 044 is divisible by 8? It is not, right? 8 5s are 40, and so 65044 is not divisible by 8 because the number 044 is not divisible by 8. So the last digit, if it is 02468, it is divisible by 2. If the last 2 digits 44, that number is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. And if the last 3 digits, that means the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. Okay, let's see another rule, very interesting, divisibility by 11. Most of the students do the rule odd and even. You know what is odd and even? It's easy, right? Let's see. The number is 93725. So I'll do the jumping, okay? So 9 to 7, 7 to 5. Add these digits. 9 plus 7 plus 5. Then add the remaining digits. 3 plus 2. What is this number? This is 12 plus 9, 21. And this is 5. And the difference between these two is 16. Now if the difference between the sum of odd digits and sum of even digits is divisible by 11 or it is 0, then the entire number is divisible by 11. But in this case 16 is not divisible by 11, right? And therefore 93725 is not divisible by 11. Remember the rule? If it is 0 or a number divisible by 11, the entire number is also divisible by 11. Let's have another one. Generalized form, that's also called the expanded notation or the expanded form. So what do we do here? 1 1 2 6, very easy. This is ones place, so I will write 6 into 1. This is tens place, so I will write 2 into 10, or you can write 10 into 2 also. Plus this is 1, so 1 into, and this is hundreds place, so 1 into 100. Plus this is thousand place, so 1 into 1000. Now this is what we call the expanded form of a number. You can write 1000 into 1 plus 100 into 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 1 into 6. It works either way. And likewise, if you have to write the usual form, that means the number, what is the number? Then see the expanded form. 1000 into 7 is 7000. 100 into 8 is 800. 10 into 9 is 90. And 2 is the single number. So 2987. 7892 is the usual form of the number. Pretty easy, right? We are just trying to play with numbers. Okay? Let's see another one here. Solve the following cryptarithm. Very important word and very, very interesting puzzles when it comes to cryptarithm. You know, cryptarithms are questions where some of the digits are missing and you have to find the missing digits. Those missing digits are represented by alphabets. So let's solve this cryptarithm, that is an addition problem. RS7 plus 7RS gives 98R. R and S are some digits. Okay. So I want to solve this cryptarithm now. To solve this cryptarithm, let me apply my reasoning. R and R, these three digits are same, and we have a 9 here. See, there is something here and a 7, then a 7 and a something gives 9 and 8 and something, right? So 7 plus something gives me 9, right? So either this number is 2 or it can be 1 and the 1 gets carried over. So 1 plus 7 gives 9, or 2 plus 7 will directly give me 9, right? So let me check with 1 first. If I take 1 here, the same R is here, so this will become 1 and this will also become 1, right? Now in this case, 7 plus something, how will it give 1? If this is 4, correct? 7 plus 4 is 11, so 1 and a 1 carry. Now I have to get a 8 here. How do I get a 8? 1 plus something. The number here is S and number here is also S. So if I have a 4 here, I should have a 4 here. But 1 plus 4 plus 1 is not going to give me 8, and therefore this one is incorrect. I can't have a 1 here. So one possibility is ruled out. Now let's take the other possibility. So we have the other possibility that this number, I'll write it again, 7 dash dash 9 8 dash, right? Now this number can be 2 because 2 plus 7 is 9, correct? Since R and R all three are the same digits and I have written 2 here, so this is also 2 and this is also 2, correct? And now 7 plus something gives me 2. How will 7 plus something give me 2? Only when it is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So when 5 comes here, 5 comes here because these are the same digits, S and S. And I think we are done with the problem. 7 plus 5 is 12, 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is 8 and 2 plus 7 is 9. Cryptarithm solved. So all the digits of the cryptarithm have been obtained. R is 2 and S is 5. Isn't that amazing? Playing with numbers. We are indeed playing with numbers in these questions. So I hope you have enjoyed all the questions which I have put up in this video, and for detailed conceptual worksheet you need to send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963, where I have put 60 such questions and you can enjoy and learn simultaneously. So friends, if you have enjoyed this video, do share it with all of the friends who are struggling in such concepts. Do subscribe to the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.